Stop wasting your precious time on complicated setups when you can have a fully automated business making money for you on absolute autopilot. Hello everyone. If you are tired of the daily grind and looking for a real way to sell digital products without the tech headaches, you're in the right place.
Today, I'm going to show you where and how to launch a digital product store that runs itself in 2026 using Sellvia. Standard platforms make you waste weeks design coding a site and creating guides from scratch. But why waste that time? Sellvia builds your complete online store and preloads it with high-demand digital products instantly. It is a fully done-for-you platform designed for absolute beginners, meaning your business is functional and ready to make money from day one. Now let's talk about the ultimate time saver. Automated traffic. You don't need to learn digital marketing or spend hours setting up ads. With the built-in Sellvia ad system, you just set a daily budget starting at $10. Activate your free $40 coupon and let the autopilot take over. The system automatically purchases high-quality traffic from Google, Facebook, and TikTok, driving paying customers straight to your store. Your store is stocked with premium digital assets directly from sellviacatalog.com, like hot-selling side hustle guides and planners. Because they are digital, there is no inventory, no packaging, and no physical shipping hassle. When a customer buys, Sellvia's automated fulfillment engine delivers the files directly to their email. The sale is processed on autopilot, and you keep a massive 50 to 70% markup as your clean profit. But here is the ultimate game changer, Sellvia Market. Once your store reaches 60 days of operations and builds a sales history, you don't have to run it forever. You can list your entire business for sale on their built-in marketplace and cash out. You can choose to get a large lump sum cash payment or offer installment plans up to 48 months to attract buyers instantly. This transforms your store from a simple side hustle into a high-value asset that you can build, sell for thousands of dollars, and repeat. Stop wasting your time trying to build and manage everything manually. Let Sellvia's autopilot engine handle the creation, the traffic, and the final sale of your asset. Keeping this system active costs just about $1.30 a day after your trial. Click the link below, claim your free 14-day trial with your free $40 ad coupon, and start building your future automated business portfolio today. See you next time.